How to turn on voice chat on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. I'm going to tell you how to turn on voice chat in Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. First, remember that standard Nintendo Switch models don't have a built-in microphone, so you'll need a headset with a mic, either through 3.5mm headphone jack or USB-C mic if you're docked. Launch Fortnite, then go to Settings. In the Audio tab, scroll to Voice Chat, switch it to on, and set voice chat methods to open mic or push to talk, depending on how you prefer to talk in-game. Press Apply to save your settings. Now if you're using the newly announced Nintendo Switch 2, you've got a built-in mic. That means no need for extra gear. Just enable voice chat the same way in the Fortnite settings. And the Switch 2 will automatically adjust your mic input.